Well, a lot has gone on here. A lot of changes, a lot of new things. Also, quick updates. CRX. Quarters done, roof smoothed out, rust repairs, other side door, and all the pieces. And it's kind of great because everything's been addressed. I kind of like that. I mean, here are the bumpers, fenders. We even did this Evo. You know the Lexus? Well, hell, it's getting cleaned and organized, and the 180, now we can officially work on it. It's not just a Nick special or a Bondo bucket. You know, we shaved off a whole bunch of good stuff. The Ford, why hell, it don't even have a bed anymore. It's kind of cool. Now it's an Australian drift burnout truck. That'd be kind of cool. You know, let's just do something cool with it. I should call the owner and see if he'll let me do it with the 3.7 shitty, huh? Well, here's a quick update on the Raptor.
Yeah? What's the thing?
For the 50th time.
Hey, boy.
You're still bald.
I know.
Oh my God. Everybody, he grew a hair. Look, there's one right here.
I got little spuds. Spuds
Yeah.
coming.
All right, just wanted a quick update, everybody. There's the Raptor, non-Raptor. All the stuff's primed. Going back on. It's got about 1,200 horsepower, about the pounds that we're gonna put it on. All right, maybe 950, because you both weigh about 300 combined. It does some weird stuff. What the hell? The camera's on, it's glitching. I can't even see it's on. Bingo, hello. Let's look at this thing in the sun.
I'll let you pull it, Gabe. I'll put it back here.
Christ.
Double check it now. Quick.
Yeah.
Make sure. All right.
No voy a perder primer.
Oh, that's a good primer. Yeah. That's a good, I forgot. So, earlier today I called Alex. And I was like, hey, Alex, I got a problem, bro. I need a favor. I done did something that I don't ever do. That's called messing up. I said I done something up, excuse my language. I done messed something up, and I really need a favor. I either need to borrow $400, or I need you to come here and help me buff. Because I'm not a good buffer. Unbeknownst to Alex, I tell him, hey Alex, when he gets here, come look at my car, tell me how much, tell me how much it's gonna cost to buff my car, because I got these little speckles on it. And you know what? I'd rather pass it to a detailer and spread the love, share the wealth, you know, make sure everybody's happy. Here we are at 10 o'clock at night. He shows up to help me thinking he's gonna help me. So I tell him, you gotta see this. You know, all along, it's for a hood for his car, not for mine. So I done cleaned the shop up. That was shop 1. Here's shop 3. And there's Alex. Hi, Alex.
What's up?
What are we doing here, mister? Can I borrow $400? So I bring him over here to show him this lovely. So I'm over here and I tell him, man, you got to see this. Look, somewhere around here. So he's staring at it. I come here about like this and just look at him like, really? All along, there's the hood of his car.
Yeah, it totally surprised me. I was not paying attention to it whatsoever.
He would have walked by.
Oh yeah, I literally didn't notice because I was more focused on whatever because you said you needed help.
I just don't think the hood. Yeah. Look at this thing. What in the holy Mary mother of Alex?
I was gonna say it looks a lot more better than the rest of the car.
That boy said a lot more better than the rest of the car.
Yeah.
Makes the car look good again. Car looks good other than a little bit of front damage.
Yeah. I missed the part. Even before, even with it being faded, it just changed the look of the car.
There you guys go. So can I still borrow the $400? Oh man.
You really got me with that one.
Yeah, I think so. Well. There's this lovely grayish, who knows what here, and I'm fixing to show you. I've been working a lot on this lovely car. Here you go. The CRX is finally in primer. She's ready. Lines are good. Everybody's been fixed. Let me check something here. Guide coat's in. Repairs are done. Roof is fixed. Well, looks like the CRX is a different car these days. Yes, good old CRX now is coming back to life. Big rust holes been deleted. Double checking everything. That's what you do when you want your stuff right. You always make sure that you get everything done the way you want it. If not, it is what it is. So, the F-150 left. Unbeknownst to us, it had a water leak at the roof of the sunroof. So the gasket was gone. I tell the owner what to do. So he decided to do it himself. So when he went and did it, the best part was he broke the whole thing. So it ripped the cable out. It doesn't slide anymore. So I guess it's up to me now to fix it, which is the fun part, right? I guess I have to fix it. So, uh-oh. Didn't mean to throw it that far back, but yeah, I guess I just have to fix it. I just can't win. No matter what I do, I can't win. Still looks good though.
March flavor to it.
Yeah, I'll buy you a little bit. I gotta go in there real quick.
All right, let me know. I'll be right here. Call me. So basically right now we primed this big beast. Belongs to this guy. It's all primer finally. All the repairs finally caught up to us. Pretty straight. I mean, I told him it wasn't a SEMA build, but I wanted it straight. What you're seeing is cast shadows from it drying. Mm-hmm. So inevitably, the new guy primed it. So as he primes, he laid it thick here, okay? As he's going, he dry sprayed. So this came back, or when he came this way, he oversprayed. Mm-hmm. So as he went this way, brought his arm. So you see this shadow? Mm-hmm. He came this way like this with the gun.
But he didn't quite get that.
Well, no, it just swung. So when he came, instead of doing heavy panel like this, he should have lapped it.
Overlapped.
Yeah, but it don't matter. It's primer and I got to block it.
Right.
But the reason why you prime and check, because you see these little pinholes where this was all caved in here.
Right.
This has all been rebuilt. So there's light little pinhole right there.
Yeah.
And see those? I don't know if it's hard to see in the camera, but
wavy.
Good thing I had to block it. See it here?
And that's from the
all those pinholes.
hard to see.
Well,
on it.
Yeah. All right, you see those little pinholes? They're kind of hard to see, but they're there. Here you go. That there is because he mixed when he mixed, see it? So, right, no, it's as he's spraying, he's pulled back, it's grit. It dried. So it's just overspray. So that's normal. Look. Here we go. So now I'm going to do a guide coat on this.
Here. What happens in here?
That's black. So basically what's going to go on now is, so everybody understands, I'm going to spray a guide coat to make it look like Joe, Free Joe. Actually, I think he's freed. Mr. 45 took care of that. So we freed Joe, and now I'm going to make the truck look like Joe. And this here we call a signature. It's called a run. We don't charge any extra for the protection. All right, everybody, here you go. So now you see the truck. It's gray, looks great. Now, what do you do to figure out it's high or low? Real simple. High, low. So that's called a guide coat. So when you sand it, it shows you light and dark. Tells you if it's high or low. Do you add, do you not? But this will show you imperfections. Any imperfections will now be visible to the naked eye.